Hey everyone, we are almost here, almost. I am Pasha, and it's Sigurd with me. Um, yeah, what are we doing? What are we doing? We were trying to write a small reproducer for our issues with KorGE last time. Actually, I think we did pretty well. We have a new C. We performed a major refactoring. Now we have everything in its own files, and we have our small debug scene in a separate class again. Do we want to launch it and show what it's look like? What it looks
Yeah,
like?
I just want to reiterate I was very impressed with the ease of refactoring it. How in just a couple of clicks we split it so well. So it was very, oh no. Let me
Oh
just,
no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Yeah, it looks like some screen sharing issues. Give us a second. We will. By the way, thank you, folks. I know that the last month, thanks to you, was one of the most successful for our channel. We got an enormous amount of new subscribers. Continue the same way. Yeah, you should press R, I believe, and maybe you should pull changes. I don't know.
if I press R too much, it just becomes
Oh
faster.
no, it's not R. It's something else. Yeah, do you know what? Yeah, when you press R too much, yeah, it should be M actually, not R.
Aha,
Yeah,
okay.
here you go.
This one is red.
Okay, it's already looks buggy to me, but our idea was to create different anchors for different bigger circles and to look how collisions will look for them.
For me, this red one here is a little bit on a different line than everything else. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Is
for
this
me,
my eyes?
for me, yeah, for me it looks the same way.
Okay. Yeah, let's
It's hard
first
to check, but actually we have this debug thing. We can print all the. No, we don't have it here.
That's a good idea, actually. All right, I want to have value.
What do you want to do?
X low value x top. What was x top? No, wait, x top is the same. X left, x right.
I would set it to 400, not 300 actually, because now they intersect a bit.
And y bottom and y top. While val is non-mutable and var
Yeah,
is
val is non-mutable. It's like value instead of versus
variable.
variable.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, you're right. It's
around.
bottom, those one is top.
Okay. Can I have it on single line? Is that allowed?
Yes. Sure. Ctrl-Shift-J will do the trick. Yeah, maybe one more time. What happened? Yeah, okay. Yeah, but it's too long, I believe. No, isn't it?
Well, X top left has
L and T, XL and YT.
Y top.
You know what's funny? You don't need X and Y in these names. Because
right, yeah, you're right. Left, right, bottom, top. It's just that I have it.
Yeah, but now you need to rename this them in big TL.
Yeah.
Names are not totally idiomatic because they're uppercase. But
top,
it's fine, I believe.
Right.
Right.
Top right. Can I have like a lambda function that creates me a circle like this, and then I have like
so you wanna like carried function without one argument.
and then I would have like
You can declare it, but I believe we will spend more time on creating it actually.
okay.
Of course, you can create a function right inside this function that will and pass lambda there. It will be fun smart circle. I don't know, default circle that will accept a callback on circle.
Bottom left.
It will be L.
Why it's called this circle here? What's wrong? Okay.
What you can do to make it smaller, you can import transparent black and white. They take okay, it's maybe it won't take too much space. And here it will be R and B, like R&B.
Yeah, I just want to know what's the value of transparent black.
Control B. Let's see. Oh, so it's actually transparent. What? So the only difference is they both are fully transparent because they have alpha set to 0. But
Yes.
I'm not sure what is the difference between them when
think
alpha is 0.
If you have some modification of the
Like you change
overlapping
color
is something, yeah.
according to some logics. This logic will work differently for black and for white. Makes sense. R&B. Yeah, like this.
Yeah, now I'm annoyed that this is like top left and here I like left top, but I will not. I will try to ignore this. Right, and I want this. Probably
I'm annoyed by
more circles.
spaces. Something is off with spaces. Oh, I see. There are spaces after transparent black.
Okay. Yeah. That's absolutely legit reason to be annoyed. Okay, next. Okay. Yeah. From this. Okay.
Looks good to me.
True. You can see there's some weird stuff in the top.
I don't know what is it.
Me neither.
Nice. We already know how our debug scene works.
Yes. Let's actually make it something less convenient.
Something should be like 0.5. Just to be more annoying.
Okay, no. Right. Maybe 4 or 5.
4, 5, like, yeah. But this one can be 93.
Yeah. Okay. What? I found a way to make it shorter.
Control W extends selection.
Okay. What's going like? Yeah, need to start thinking actually.
Yeah, probably it's time to wake up now.
Yes. So I want my left to be smaller, and my right to be the same, but my top to be higher, and my bottom is fine. My bottom is fine. My right to be higher is this one, and my left to be lefter. It's like a political compass, which collision circle you would choose. Okay, here we go.
Kind of liberal things.
I'm just started rewatching the Parks and Recreation, which I apparently haven't watched in full completion. And once you get over the first season, it's hilarious.
Which show again?
Parks and Recreation.
Oh, it was so boring. I couldn't make it through the first season.
If you make it through like first season and a half, it becomes like impossible.
I actually watch Fisk these days. It's this crazy Australian British humor.
Fisk, like
Fisk.
a fish. Okay.
Yeah, almost. What are you doing? It's already fine.
No.
Why?
I want to have one line of green between.
Oh, I see. Okay, just make them top 70.
I can do like this.
Okay, that's another way.
Yes. Okay. Now I like it.
Okay, cool. Now we have to change anchor for different circles.
Yeah. We might actually want to go even lower on this and then change anchor. Big TR. Anchor 0.5, 0.5. Right?
Yes.
Big bottom left, anchor 0.3. Just
And for bottom right, we can
What the hell?
Okay, man, that's what we want. That's actually what we wanted to achieve, right? We wanted to clearly demonstrate the bug. Now we have very clear demonstration that it doesn't work. But for big BL, I would maybe change it to 1 and 1, because I believe with anchor at 1 and 1, it will be completely offset.
Completely offset. Okay. Which one did you want? Top left, bottom right?
Bottom right. Do you see it? Okay, we need to move it to the right, much more to the right, but not a single ball inside it is colored red.
Yeah. Like, what the hell?
I propose not to debug it right now. I propose just to report it.
Yeah, I just want to put it somewhere like nice, the sayings of what's where on the scene itself. What's a good place? Would be top 15 maybe, and 250.
Almost. I would move bottom right further to the right and further to the bottom for it not to intersect with anything.
Bottom right, further
Plus
to the
100,
right,
yeah.
further to the bottom.
Actually, I think you can use just 100 here because double percent will be double. Yeah. So anchors break collision detection completely. And when you have your anchor at the bottom right corner of your shape, of your, I don't know, of your view, nothing works. Nothing works as expected. And it may be at least part of the explanation of why our simulation isn't perfect. Now I would commit it and actually report a bug.
The only thing I would change is I would add actual description of what's going on with anchors in the scene itself.
Let's do it.
So bottom is 395. Maybe it should be in the bottom. 500. Oh wait, it's 800 because if we have this 700. And what I want to say here is that the text. How would we do this here? Guess box text view text equals to something. Text equals to big tr.
You don't have your text assigned or something like that because yeah, I can see that text is underlined.
But I have it here. It's a text view.
It's text view. It's text view.
Okay, how do I get the anchor? Get anchor? No.
Anchor X.
What's missing? Okay, anchor X.
Yeah. That's what happened?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, it's a question of what you're trying to achieve.
Top left. Top left. Top right. What was the other way when you have a multiple line? Okay. Bottom left. Wow.
Man, it's really hard. Really hard to see how you're doing it. BLBR. Yeah, something like that. Nice.
Where is the text?
Nice. Awesome. Awesome. What?
Okay.
What is the height of our window, by the way? I remember we have defined it somewhere in the main.
Yes, here.
Yeah, okay. Let's make it 1,000 by 1,000. Probably.
1,000 by 1,000.
Okay. I can see that you like round numbers.
Yes.
but here you used 500 instead of around 512.
Okay, good point.
Nice.
Yeah.
We also need one line with the word anchors. Yeah.
Yes.
Like this. Control backspace.
Okay. Yeah. Now I'm happy with how it. Let's just check once again.
Okay. Colon after anchors.
Okay. Yeah.
And we need a description that red colored circles detect collisions.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, those academia folk. Only the right order of adjectives.
Just feels unnatural. Column here and. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking like, do I want the collision count inside the circles or something? So it's overthinking it. Yeah.
Yeah, you're really. I mean, observation is enough. We have an experiment that supports the idea that the. Okay. Now it's out of the code. That support idea that collision detection works wrong.
Or weird, I guess. Not really wrong, but
It's really wrong. I mean, why? No, it's wrong because shapes collide. Not they should collide, not depending on an anchor of the shapes.
I think it's too far down. We can just have less and then. Okay, and more to the bottom and more to the top.
Everything worked. We could really report it.
Come on.
Okay.
Why it's so high above?
It's high above because it's y is negative, I believe, because radius. What is the radius of your of circle right now?
3.
No, not a small circle.
100.
Bigger circle. It's 100 and its anchor is 0.5 or 0.3.
0.3. Yeah, whatever.
No, it was top right one.
Do you want to change anything?
No, I don't want to change anything for the last 5 minutes. I just think we need to report and move on. So what we need to do now is to commit it. I believe.
Right. Just a second. KorGE, KorGE. What would be the proper place? Issues.
Let's report. Yeah, issues. KorGE issues. I mean, yeah. Right.
Just want to save my.
Right. Good idea.
Yeah. And I want to have it in a like this. No. Yes. Okay, commit. Why did it just not? Okay, git commit. Git push. And now what?
Now we need a GitHub. We need to open our repo to copy a link to commit.
Yes.
It will be CRA, yeah. Slash Kotlin.
Okay,
Yeah, but the commit is already in the top line. Yeah, here. You can just copy paste the address URL. And now let's describe it. Improperly, unpredictable.
Improperly debug.
With changed anchors, with non-standard anchors. Yeah, right. For circles.
Okay.
Should we write a bit more description and give a link to our stream here? Or we can actually link our YouTube channel for them to be able to observe our three times trying to, I don't know, debug this.
Yeah, okay. To debug collision, to make just let's make it for the viewers. Okay, what are we going to say? So thanks for such a nice library. Brings me
definitely
real joy to learn Kotlin and KorGE. However, when I was writing a small particles in the box example based on the hello world, I encountered a weird collision behavior, which I think I can demonstrate on this screenshot. Collision is double S, right? No. Okay. The scene uses 4 big circles with different
anchors
and
multiple small circles with collision detection.
Enabled. Colliding circles turn left. You can see code for this here.
Yeah,
that's it.
We can actually, maybe we can even put the whole code snippet here, because it's kind of small. You can probably copy it from idea itself. Just the debug scene. Control A. Yeah, maybe it will be even enough.
I mean, just scene main would be fine.
Yeah.
Can I select somehow just everything about this function?
Control W. Yeah, it's the way to. It will work too. Probably you should mark that it's Kotlin. Yeah. Right.
Circles move, but the collisions not. What's wrong with my collision? Collision.
Collision of collision.
Okay. Here's the main part of that.
By the way, this code is nice. I mean, I'm looking at it right here in plain text, and it's nice. It's readable. I can clearly understand what's going on.
Okay, thank you. I'm just starting to think that maybe we should also put this on one line, but that's too much. Okay.
Okay, definitely not on GitHub.
Yeah. Is anything missing? Let's take a look.
It looks good to me. Even syntax is readable.
Okay. Submit.
Yeah. So should we say goodbye KorGE now, or okay?
I mean, it works when we don't touch anything. So
When you don't touch anchor, you can see that when your anchor is 0.3, you have like 0.3 coverage, and it has very weird shape. Very weird shape. Actually, for both of them, it's diamond-like.
I mean, it detects X. It's like it takes the border then, and then it's subtracts it. Like what? What's going on? And here it's like it's not really.
Oh, you are right. It actually takes 0.3 of 0.3 square, and then from the top left, and then it subtracts the circle from it. Well, no, anything anything but the circle from it. But it's not how it should work. It's definitely not how it should work. I mean, it's some hard code somewhere inside the framework.
Okay. These thumbnails are crazy.
Absolutely.
Which
I don't know how to do proper thumbnail.
Which one do you want to like? Probably
to
this
link?
one.
Probably the last one.
Oh yeah.
So many moving parts on GitHub. You can observe how we struggle together. Actually, it was me struggling. But you can write us struggling.
Yeah. Okay. It's just.
I mean, one more subscriber won't.
Yeah, it's like 5% increase. Ooh.
Actually, we have some subscribers. We have 20 subscribers on YouTube. It's less than on Twitch. But it's more.
No, you have to look at this. Like it's like half of what we have on Twitch.
Yeah. The main thing is not to change anything in anchors of our subscribers.
Yes. Otherwise, we will move to different
Yeah.
places. with a weird intersection. Yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, what do we want to do now?
Okay, what do we have on our plate actually? Can you open our to do thing? Yeah,
Sure.
to do MD, right? Okay,
I had another idea how we can debug collisions is that we draw a line between circle and figure out where is the center and if it's the same center. But we have to do it with...
Well, okay, man, it's very simple. Let's just do it because I mean, we can draw this circle in like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
This line.
And it's here, gas box. Okay.
I like the name. I mean, name is just self-describing.
True. What we want to do is when we have the...
First of all, I want to remove the basic vectors right now, I believe. And
I want to
collision,
remove this, so there's no...
Yeah, definitely.
Even like this, not even commented. The basic vectors, where are we drawing them?
It's something about line. Just do Control F by line. Yep. Okay, now what is your idea? Okay, we have an issue.
Yeah.
On collision, yes. we can draw a line, but we can't undraw it when there is no more collision.
Can we update the line position?
What? I mean, line is very basic. It has two coordinates: coordinate of start and coordinate of end. Question is when you create it and when you delete it. Probably we can just create lines between all the balls, but create only, I don't know, 5 balls at the very start.
Balls. No, let's start with just 2.
Okay.
Where do we do this? What?
We should draw these lines in place where we create our initial balls. Like, yeah, something like this. And in particles, we will have all our gas particles.
Yeah.
Probably we have to, change maths a bit. Then we need to have what?
Oops. Someone internet has run out, probably Pasha's or mine. But what I want to do is to have 2 circles. Since I know that there's only 2 of them, I can just do something like this. And then I want to draw a line that will connect both of them. I think I can actually cheat, and when I draw this line here, or when I create it here...
Oh, okay. You was offline this whole time. I mean, the whole time.
You were offline. Who was offline?
You was offline. I have reloaded my page because I thought that I'm offline, but it was you offline.
This is very weird because what I see is that you are offline. Currently, there is 2 Pasha Finkensteins in StringL.
I believe it's okay.
We need to remove.
Where are we now?
It depends on who was offline and who was explaining. Okay.
We have 2 circles, and we actually need one. Well, you don't need this. You need just one loop inside another loop. And
I just no. I mean, why? I can just use this line that I have in the collision detection, and then just draw it to.
Yeah, when you're sure that there are only 2 balls, you're right. But it's easier to control it from outside the lines, right?
True, but I don't care
Okay.
about optimization at this point.
Okay.
So line X, this line X, right, is...
I don't know what you're doing, so I don't know.
It-
Probably now you will have 2 lines.
Yeah, it's fine.
But you should
It's actually, for me, it's nice because I would know that if it's the same line, then it works. It's the same.
True. Agreed. You also need to change x1, I believe, and y1. Also, probably it will link not the centers, but the...
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find out. What do I need to do to connect centers and not just...
it should be Y. It should be Y in those lines. Okay, now it doesn't work at all. But
Y.
in line 50, it should be Y.
Yes. You are correct.
Is our line visible? Does it exist? I don't know.
Not yet, because there were no collisions.
Oh, I see.
Mass is 70.
Yes.
And probably I want the velocities to be something else. Like I want a predictable experiment.
We can do it unpredictable at first and observe it a bit.
Okay.
Just to feel that it works.
True. Good idea. Okay. Yeah. Now I do realize the problem is that when they will detect
they move
the
in
line.
parallel.
Where is the line? Come on.
What is the... How do you
Color.
differentiate the line, actually?
It's over here.
So where is it? Line...
Even with the color. Circle line.
Yeah, circle line means that you create
wait.
line.
What? X0, X1, Y1.
Whoa. And what is x2 and y2?
I have no idea.
We need to check, actually. Okay. Man, it's so fucked up.
Yeah. I absolutely agree. How do I take
Control B. Everything Control B. But here you navigated to line, probably you want to navigate to x1. It will be Control Alt backspace or Control Alt left. Okay, this way it will work too. So why is x0? Where is x0 and something else is defined? Oh man. It's so messed up. Okay.
Could it be that the circle has its own line somehow with...
It's an interesting question. Let's navigate
container line.
Yeah, but it's the same. Yeah, okay. It's the same, but they have renamed arguments for some unknown reasons. They create the very same line, just not with x1, y1, x2, y2, but with x0, y0, x1, y1. Man. Okay. It's just so long. The API is so inconsistent. Okay, by the way, Mr. Grelly says that you was online and I was offline. So sorry, folks. It was my internet.
Ha!
You beat me. You definitely
yes.
beat me. So we have created line for each circle. It's very, very short at start, but on collision. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here.
Which button do I press for this?
I don't know. I press mouse with mouse on the line in the gutter on the line number. Yeah, like this.
Ah! Oh, come on.
Nice. But it was already a breakpoint. Those huge red thing is a
Yeah.
is a breakpoint.
Well, I can change breakpoint of a line. No.
No,
I think
it's not breakpoint. You changed color of the line.
Okay. More.
What do you want to do here?
I want to know how to add breakpoint with a mouse. Okay, not with a mouse. I mean, and debug is F9 or this one.
Yes, Shift F9.
Okay.
I mean, setting breakpoints is so rare that probably they didn't add special breakpoint for it.
I don't want to touch my mouse when I can.
I totally understand you. It will take some time, probably. Yep. There was no collision. Do we call this method? Wait. Do we actually call this method? I mean, we don't hit breakpoint. It means that we are not there. Oh, I see. Because it radius is bigger than 100. Look at the filter.
Yeah.
Just remove this part of the filter. Ctrl W. Okay, yeah, it will work too.
Yeah. You're annoyed by my use of IT, right?
Well, I mean, I'm a bit sorry for you. Not like it helped.
Okay.
Let's put breakpoint.
There must be a button to set up.
Okay, let's do it this way. Control Shift A. Oh, line Control F8. Nice.
Now it's convenient.
Yeah. Okay. I have to memorize it. Immediately there. Okay, F9. Okay. What is X and what is it X?
It X should be X of the
Yeah, I know.
other thing.
I mean, what are their real values?
Come on.
You're a lucky guy.
Now? Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's check X, Y, and so on. You can expand this.
Expand this.
In debug view, you can expand variables. But okay. You can evaluate expression this.x and just x. Do you see? Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay. There should be a line. But let's evaluate y's just in case too. Maybe there's somewhere.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Y, yeah. Yeah, I mean, totally on the screen. And still. Shoot. Man.
Is the color of the line something normal, right?
I don't know. Let's print a line.color.
Right.
We can just evaluate it. line.fill or line.color, something like that. Color move should work too.
Yeah.
It is not transparent. It has some sane color.
Yeah.
I mean, we should see it somewhere.
True.
Let's do it white. I mean, let's recolor it to white just in case. In the same block of code.
How do I stop?
Control F2.
Align.
Something like that. What are you doing?
I just want to have some line from somewhere to somewhere.
There is. Oh, nice. Do you see what it's doing?
Yeah, you see the line now?
Yes. It's relative to the circle. It's not absolute. Do you remember my proposal about lines?
Have them outside?
Yes, draw them outside.
Yes, okay.
Oh,
And
no.
This is not gonna work because we want to have lines inside the collision. And that's why we... But we can start here. All right. For...
you have... please type iter. No, not here. Just without and hit tab. Tab, yeah. Now just put particles here. Yes. Yes. Is that what you wanted?
No.
What did you want?
I want the pairwise.
Pairwise. Oh. Particles dot window. Remove this for loop. Windowed. Yeah. Size 2. That's for each. Yes, enter. Here you have list as input. Yes. Like this. You can actually use destructuring here. Val LHS, comma RHS equals it. But put parents around LHS and RHS. Yes. Like this.
Okay.
So now you wanna draw the line between them. Wait, you wanna pairwise like each with each, right?
Yes.
If you want each with each and not like sequential pairs, you obviously need a loop inside loop for particles, for particle in particles, for particle 1 in particles, and then create a line between them. But this will work too.
Just add some lines, not every
LHS.
line. Can I have a property that here will return me gas particle like X? val x get circle x. That will work.
Nice.
Right?
Yes.
Cool. And
Now you should add updater to this line probably. Because now it will draw the line once and it won't be updated.
can actually just draw them. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need var here. You can just add updater to itself.
Oh yeah, really. Okay.
I don't remember how do we add timed updater. We have it somewhere.
60. Something like that, no?
Yeah, probably, but I don't remember.
Add fixed updater.
Yeah, fixed. Okay, and times per second with small. Yes.
And
What's wrong with it?
now what?
Do you see that it doesn't compile? Yeah, okay, Alt enter and yes. And now you should update. Yeah, something like that. No, sorry.
Really?
It's not tuple, so it won't work. And tuples are immutable, so it won't work anyway.
Why? What was this small window that showed up?
I don't know. What do you want to do? Because it's already correct.
Yeah, it was some interesting window show. Okay.
Okay, now we see.
Now this work. Okay.
What? Wait. Do you
That's
see
from
that?
collision.
What is this new line?
It's from collision.
I see. Okay.
We haven't removed it here, so. Okay, yes, the X and Y of those is the
Top left corner.
top left corner. Can we just make a rectangle here around this one?
What? Oh. What is round rect? Okay.
So
Oh, nice.
radius, and that's it. No.
You need its X and Y.
No, I don't think so. I actually think that if it
Wait. You should write it like color equal. No. Yeah, color equals colors transparent black.
Really?
Of course, because otherwise second argument is height. And actually you need to provide height too.
Yeah.
Now you don't need color equal.
Colors.
Right.
Fill colors green. Okay. I'm just concerned because I don't know what is the I mean, yes, it's top left corner of the bounding circle, right?
Definitely.
Bounding box.
Yes.
Not cool.
Yeah, well, actually that's fine. We can just redefine it now.
Yes, let's.
It should be a plus radius for both X and Y. LHS.circle.radius. Oh, actually, it can be LHS.mass, if I remember correctly. What are you looking for? Yeah, SC circle, line 24.
Yeah. I don't think it would be always plus. I think sometimes it should be minus. And,
Why? And we hit the bug immediately, like immediately. No, apparently I was right. It's always plus.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's no surprise actually.
Yes.
Transparent white.
Fill color. Or just fill.
Yes, okay. Why?
That's what I wanted to see.
Okay. Now you have one line, and how does it help?
Well, now I want to know what is the... So now I know that if I want to get a center, I get the X and Y of me, and then I need to... Okay, where's this collisions thing? So here we already do it. We have the vector plus radius. And now it's strange.
What are you thinking about? Because I'm trying to read your mind, but I can't.
Yeah. I was hoping that we have some change here that we would know from collision, and now we would see that, well,
do we do wait, do we calculate all the things inside collision?
How do I watch you see the solid reactor? Control B. Yay. Callback. It's not what I wanted. Color.
What are you looking for?
I want to have a solid rectangle that is just a rectangle with just lines transparent inside.
Okay, so you need kind of stroke.
Yeah, and I see it doesn't have it, so that's, yeah, just forget it. What we're talking about, are we sure
there was a round rect? Maybe round rect has its stroke.
That's unlikely. It actually has fill and stroke.
It has. Okay.
Wow.
Then you can use radius of rectangle as, I don't know, 0.
Width, height, colors.
I'm not sure that it has the same order of Control P. Hit Control P, please. So yeah, it has Rx and Ry because it's round rectangle. It should be probably 0.0. What?
No. I mean, height, width, height,
And
field.
then Rx and Ry. You still have to define Rx because it's not optional. Yeah, like this. Ry is optional. By default, it equals Rx.
How do I know which one optional, which one not? If it's
It's defined there.
Okay.
Field transparent black and stroke is what?
Stroke is separate on multi-line. Alt enter, right?
Yes.
Separate.
Green.
Stroke is white. Field stroke and
Thunderstroke. What parameters does it have? Maybe we have to define thickness of stroke or something like that.
yeah, stroke
Stroke
thickness
thickness by default it's 0.
1.
Yes.
Where are my rectangles?
I don't know.
Actually, I can see them.
For real? Like because I can see them too. Why did we add them? Okay. Why did we add them?
I want to. It makes me more comfortable having them. No, it's just that I want to make sure that we're not hitting some of the angles anywhere. What's the...
We can actually create 3 lines or three balls and observe more interesting collisions.
Observe more interesting collisions. It's very tight in here.
Yes, they're too big. Oh no, the window is too small.
Yeah. Either way.
The same. What is this magic 768?
It's
512 plus. Well, yeah.
So it's 128 plus 64 times 4 and 64, 512 plus 256.
Okay. I don't know. Okay.
Some magic number, whatever. I want to have them smaller as well, so it's like this.
Oh man. Oh, that's so bad.
I wonder actually they collide with the. No, we don't.
No. We have collision filter. They collide only with other circles.
Okay, this looks really terrible.
It looks terrible, and I mean, we spent like half an hour adding these lines and boxes, and they don't help in any way.
Well, they help to see how the circles are moving. In a sense, like why are they connected now? What's wrong?
I don't know. I don't have
Why
any.
they can't unswap? I think the problem here is that we're actually trying to see situation that we shouldn't see when we have the working situation. In there's no. We should not create circles. Those shall not create circles that overlap with another circles, because then it's tricky.
Yeah, I mean, but we observed many times how that they can overlap by themselves without any our intervention, and actually we don't do anything for them to overlap. I still think that we need some unstuck algorithm.
Unstuck algorithm.
Yeah, like in Mario. Do you remember this unstuck bug when Mario can go through walls?
No.
I don't know if you are a usual Mario enjoyer.
I am, but
Speedrunners use this. It was first discovered with TAS in tool-assisted speedruns. They discovered that Mario can go in a small part between bricks, and then system tries to push him from the wall.
and then
But
it becomes
sometimes
yeah.
it pushes him from the wall inside the wall, and this way he goes very fast through walls. And lots of speedruns, at least TAS speedruns, are based on this effect. I am aware of at least 2 speedrunners who use this without special tools. They can just do it millisecond wise.
We don't want to have those speedrunners playing our amazing section game because we have problems without it. Okay, let's actually make circles.
Just in case, it's quarter past 1 here.
Yeah, okay.
Do you need to go?
Technically not, but I think it's good to wrap up.
Yes. Maybe it makes sense to wrap up.
I mean, we did the thing with submission of the pull request, which
yes. If you have some spare time, I would probably try to commit it and
build.
To commit, build it, and try to define what we will do next time. Because I feel that this mission is kind of finished. We can again try to simulate 3 bodies problem. We can try to write some arcade platform, I don't know, platform game. Arcade platform game.
Stop talking. Wait. Let me just commit everything, and then wow, such curves.
There are no curves, but okay.
Well, there are rounded circles, right?
Okay, kinda.
And then we can
minus 19 seconds ago. Nice.
Probably one of the restarts led me to current time Stockholm.
Probably you just need to run NTP date.
Yeah, I have a NTP date.
To the NTP date.
This is not what we wanted to do. That's
full NTP org. Yeah. Yeah. So what I'm trying to define, to understand, is what we are doing now. What are we doing next time? I can see several options. Here we are kind of finished. We kind of did everything we could, at least until the moment when the bug will be resolved.
I don't think that's the case, because technically, right. I think that's the case. Yeah. No, okay. I mean, if we don't overlap circles at the start, then it sort of looks fine.
No, not at the moment when you have small and big circles.
Well, if we try to implement something like 2 or 3 body problem, then we don't really need them to collide at all.
Yes, and that's one thing we can do. We can try to implement 3 body problem without any collisions. I mean, don't care about collisions at all. Second thing we can try to do is we can use box2d. Everything is defined there. It can be based on box2d. We could implement better gas simulation.
Box2d is different.
It's if I understand correctly, It's another physics engine built into the KorGE.
Ah, okay. What?
Nice.
You people don't really like documentation. What is the... How do I know when was this version released?
I don't have any idea.
Really, like you downloaded zip file. Oh my god. Releases. No, releases.
I love it.
KorGE issues.
Do you want to create issue that you can't understand to what version do you
What the hell is this? It's like an Airtable in GitHub. Why? What? Just...
Oh yeah, now I can see that there are lots of issues.
Yeah, cool.
What do you want to see? What are you looking for? Okay,
What is the latest version?
November 10th.
Yeah.
3.4.0, it's correct.
Where is our issue here? Collision detection.
It's not about documentation, and those issues were about documentation.
Bugs. Should we have like a label, or
I'm not sure if we can add label. I believe it's author who can add the label.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's get back to our thing. What will we do next? Box2D is first option. Three-body problem with what we have, second option. Try to write a platformer is a third option. We can do them all.
Simultaneously.
Of course, on 3 computers, streaming all 3 at the same time. Pluggable, okay.
Just to remind myself, make.
By the way, I think that Box2D is kind of abstract thing. You can
Is there any like other libraries aside from KorGE? Like if I go to Kotlin game development,
you will be disappointed. Well, I mean, yeah, for you can build a game for
Kotlin game development. See? Mini GDX.
Issue is KorGE is at least something, I don't know, framework like.
And so far we haven't used anything from that.
Yeah, we can. Well, we use scene transitions. We use something else.
Yeah, that's true. Actually,
all these updaters. I mean, we take as granted that there are lots of things for that are implemented for us. Okay. Yeah. So we can also try Kotlin with Godot. It almost works.
Right. Sorry. Я скоро закончу. Yeah, I wanted to see how this currently works with here. And
works fine. Did you press N?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. So JavaScript can't handle this many events.
Yeah, just I'm concerned that that might affect my streaming, so I just stopped it.
Okay.
Kotlin Godot.
Yep. That's pretty much everything we have on the plate right now, I believe. At this point. Of course, we can look at completely different problems. I don't know. We can try to write a backend application or something like that. Okay, yeah.
Not at this
I
point.
also think that it's boring.
I mean, we can write some sort of a leaderboard and see how this would integrate.
Yeah, but when we have something to have a leaderboard for, it's actually interesting. We can try to write some very simple game on KorGE, in KorGE with some backend. Oh yeah, I don't have any idea how to do it. Any idea.
This is a good thing. So maybe I would actually work on this. Let's wrap it up here. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you had some fun, and I hope you had a nice start of the year.
Yeah. Happy New Year again, and probably see you next week.
Yes. Bye.
See you, folks.